Myself Niti Kumari, I am a science teacher and I am going to teach you the chapter of class 8 microorganisms. We have already done two video of this topic. This is the third video of your chapter. In this video, we are talking about algae. This is the third type of microorganisms or microbes. Let's see in algae. It is the simplest form of microorganism. They have well-defined nucleus in plastids. In the algae, the simplest form, it is found everywhere. Where is the moist place? It is found there. Their chlorophyll present. Due to the chlorophyll, they can make their own food. They are found in moist surface like pond, lake, river and seawater. In the sense, they are found in fresh water. Freshwater algae are green algae. In the seawater, they are brown algae. They are different in size and shape. Grow length about 60 to 70 meter its length. Due to presence of pigmentation, they have been classified into three different types. First, green algae. The example of green algae is Spirogera. It is look like green due to the green pigmentation. Red algae. Polysiphonia. Polysiphonia is red algae due to red pigmentation. In the brown algae, ficus. Ficus is the brown because of brown pigmentation. They release oxygen in the atmosphere. Only green algae can release the oxygen in the atmosphere because they make their own food by the chlorophyll is present in their body. Let's see. The fourth one is fungi. These are acrophilous plants which can't make their own food. This is the saprophytic because due to the saprophytic they can't make their own food. They are just like parasitic. They are either saprophytic or parasitic. They are unicellular. It means it has a one cell. Mushroom are the largest group of fungi. Mushroom. This is found everywhere and you can see this is the type of fungi. This is the type of fungi. This is mushroom. You can eat mushroom. Let's see. If you talk about the role of fungi, it play an important role in recycling of matter. Dead and decaying matters are also recycled by this fungi. Yeast and unicellular saprophytic fungi. Yeast is unicellular saprophytic. You can see the yeast is used in the wine, cake or bread. They use of the yeast they can be produced. It play an important role in the process of CO2 is produced. When the CO2 is produced, let's see the structure of why the CO2 is produced. CO2 it means carbon dioxide. When the sugar is made by the using of yeast, CO2 is produced. It helps in the make the bread and cake. The drink, beer, wine and alcoholic drinks are also produced by it. Use of yeast, these products are made. Let's see the equation of the production of sugar. Sugar C6H12O6. This is sugar and yeast and gymnase. Gymnase is also part of fungi. It makes ethyl alcohol and CO2 is released. It also used in preparation of vitamins. Vitamins are also made by yeast. Reproduction of take place in this budding. Budding it means bud-like structure. This is budding. if you see mushroom, you can see that they are grown in the budding. They are grown on the budding, and they are. This is the process of reproduction in yeast or fungi. In the last one is protozoa. Protozoa. This is the singular form is protozoans. Protozoan is the singular form. Means that the first animals. Protozoans are also called first animals. They are unicellular. It means they have one cell. Animal with well-defined nucleus and cell membrane. They have the well-defined nucleus or cell membrane also. They are also found in solitary or colonies. Colonies means these like structure. This is the colony. They are found in these like structure. They are responsible for the many diseases. Protozoa. This is the responsible for disease. Let's see what is the disease are done by protozoa. First, malaria. Malaria, plasmodium. This is the protozoa. This is malaria is biting by mosquito, and plasmodium is the protozoa which is responsible for malaria. Sleeping sickness, trypanosoma. Trypanosoma is the protozoa for sleeping sickness. This is also responsible for sleeping sickness, and so many diseases are done by protozoa. This is the end of your chapter, and your work is do your question answer and your objective questions. If you have any problem, leave your message in our comment box. Thank you.